Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, the Nian's Vlog, and today I will be showing you how to create multiple IDs or batch ID process in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so bago tayo mag-umpisang gumawa ng batch process of ID making sa Photoshop, so kinakailangan meron na kayong nagawang template, tapos na-encode nyo na lahat ng mga detalye sa Excel, and dapat ready na rin yung mga pictures na ilalagay natin doon sa ID. So, unang-unang gagawin lang natin is ita-transfer or i-copy natin yung location ng mga pictures natin dito sa database natin. So, here, yung gagawin lang, i-copy natin yung location. So, sa akin, nakalagay siya sa G, Nian's Vlog, and Photoshop. So, simple lang, kakapihin lang ko lang to and ipipaste ko siya dito sa Excel. And tapos ilalagay natin yung file name ng picture. So, for the first row or the first ID holder is Daphne. So, I have to type Daphne .jpg and press enter. So I have to do this for the remaining ID holders. So copy and paste here. So yung next na gagawin ko lang is i-rename ko lang yung mga pangalan. So it's next Jocelyn. So by the way guys, may dalawang Jocelyn dito. So sa ginawa ko, yung isang Jocelyn nilagyan ko lang siyang ng 1. So Jocelyn. Okay, so next Jordan. So click nyo lang, tapos F2, copy and double click, paste. Next is Dennis. Click F2, double click, paste. Valerie, F2. Next is Kelton. Brenton. Ruby. Jocelyn. So Jocelyn 1. And the last one is Jada or Jada, whatever. So for now, isi-save muna natin yung database kasi wala na tayong gagawin. So save, and we're going to our template. So yung next nating gagawin is isi-set na natin yung yung template natin para mag-connect na yung Photoshop at saka natin yung database natin. So simple lang yung gagawin, i-rename lang natin yung mga layer name ng ID natin to match yung mga column heading sa database natin. So if you can see here, if I click this picture, yung layer name niya is model. So kailangan mag-match sila dito sa column heading ng database natin. So what I will do, i-copy ko lang yung column heading, tapos i-double click ko yung model, tapos paste. Okay, So sa name, I will change this to name. So by the way guys, pag nag-rename kayo, make sure po na yung case sensitivity niya is tama. Kasi pag hindi siya nag-match, let's say small letter N dito tapos capital N dito, pag nagme-merge na tayo ng data, hindi gagana yung merging kasi may mismatch dito sa heading at saka layer name. So make sure na tama talaga yung case sensitivity niya. Okay, so next is uunahin ko na lang yung manager. So manager here in the Photoshop, but sa database natin is position. So talaga, magpi-prevail talaga yung database natin. So kung ano yung nandito, dapat sundin ito dito sa Photoshop natin. So position. Next is ID number. So punta tayo sa ID number here. Next, blood type. Blood type, where are you? Next is email. Next is mobile number. And the last one is landline number. Okay. So, ayan, na-set na natin yung mga layer name ng ng ID template natin. So, yung next natin gagawin is pupunta tayo sa image, tapos variables, and click natin yung define. And here, so yung gagawin lang natin is i-match natin ulit yung column heading ng database natin dito sa mga layer name ng Photoshop natin. So ito yung Photoshop layer at ito yung database heading natin. So click nyo lang yung replacement, tapos type nyo dito yung position, and so here we have also to change the picture. Next is the name, so capital letter N. Next, landline number. Next is mobile number. Next, email. Next, blood type. Next is the ID number. Next is okay. So yung label na layer is ito yung ID blood. Bali pinag-isa ko lang sila. So I think wala na akong kinakailangan pang i-change dito or i-match. Kasi kompleto na eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think I only have 8 columns here sa database. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7, 8. Okay. So pag natapos nyo na silang i-match, so click tayo ng OK, and we have to go back again to the image, variables, and this time we will be selecting datasets. So bago tayo mag-continue dito sa datasets, may gagawin lang tayong dito sa Excel natin. So we are going to transfer this data sa notepad. So ika-copy natin siya. Let's run the notepad and paste. Okay, and we have to save this file as text file. So papangalanan ko lang siyang database. So isi-save ko siya dito sa cache ni Yanslag and Photoshop. So pag na-type nyo na yung file name, click nyo ng save, then you can close this one, and let's minimize this. So dito sa dataset natin, i-click natin yung import. Punta tayo ng select file. And we have to locate our database. So, nasave ko siya sa Neon Cache G, Neon's Vlog, and Photoshop. So, it's here. So, ito yung database ko. Click load and click OK. Okay. So, may error akong nakuha. Sabi niya, could not parse the file contents as datasets. Name picture is not a variable. So, may error ako doon sa pag-match natin. So, cancel ko muna. So, punta tayo sa image, define sa picture. So, here, may mali pala ako. So, instead of capital P, this should be small p. So, ito yung ibig kong sabihin kanina na pag hindi nag-match yung mga small letter at saka capital letter, hindi talaga magwo-work or hindi magko-continue yung merging natin. So, make sure na tama lahat yung pag-rename niyo. So, click OK. So, balik ako, image, variables, datasets, import, select file, and database, and hopefully this will work. Click OK. And another, it's mobile number, so I have to go back. So, dataset, define. So, I don't have the letter B, so click OK. Image, variable datasets, import, and hopefully this will work. Okay, there you go. So, pag tama lahat ng settings, automatic makikita nyo na or maloload nyo na yung database natin sa Photoshop. So, next thing to do, click OK. And we are ready for the exporting. So, okay. So, punta tayo dito sa File, Export, and Dataset as File. So, meaning to say, yung 8 or yung 10 ID holders dito is i-export na ng Photoshop. Okay, so kailangan ko lang i-click yung select folder and I have to locate where I want to save the file. So, datasets. So, ika-copy ko lang. Bali, dito ko isi-save yung mga exported files. So, I copied this one, the location, and I will paste it here. And that will be my location sa exported files. And leave this file naming as is. And click OK. Automatic, magbi-blink na yung template natin. Meaning to say, in-export nyo na yung 10 IDs. So, to confirm, let's go back to the folder that I have created. So, here. So, may 10 IDs na tayo. So, to confirm, we have to open this file. So, I will close this first and open. There you go. So, there are 10 files. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, ito yung mga IDs na nagawa natin using our database. So, if you can see, there you go, there. So, range. Yan. Okay, guys. So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na ito. And please consider subscribing to this channel and click that bell button to keep you updated para sa iba pang tutorials na gagawin namin. And thank you guys, and see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.